my YouTube Mabuhay channel. For this morning, I'm here in the distribution area of my admired President Duterte here at Sierra Lab on Christmas Day. And I was able to meet some, sir, may I know, unsa may gihatag sa inyo, ma'am? Bugas, pila ka kilo? Tulo, cash? 150, hindi 300. And gift check 150 plus groceries 300. Wow. So, pangalan, ma'am? Lanet. Apelido? Umakasar. From Rio, Del Rio, Davao. And sir?
Del Rio,
Davao. Pangalan, sir?
Hindi ko makasar.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, that's it. Mabuhay channel tonight. Oo, sige. Thank you. Teacher Bing Erlida Bing Basilarido. Thank you. So, let's go here. This is the day of distribution of the Sierra Lab of President Duterte. And as you can see, there are many traffic officers now here, just around. Hi, mabuhay, sir. Mabuhay channel. How's the distribution, sir? Okay lang? Okay lang. Mag-vlog lang ako, sir. Mabuhay channel po. Teacher Bing Erlida Bing Basilarido. So, how is it? How's the distribution? Sir, how is the distribution? Okay lang? Very safe. Okay, sige, thank you.
Ako right person.
Sige.
Tubag.
Okay lang, sir.
Right person na kananas mulot.
Salamat, sir. So, this is the distribution area for distribution of goods and groceries and cash. So as you can see, going to distribution area, the Sierra Lab of President Duterte, Digong here in Davao City, Bangkal. My location here is right here in Bangkal. Sir, there is a good morning, mabuhay. Mabuhay channel, sir. How is the distribution? Okay lang, sir?
Okay naman, ma'am.
Mabuhay channel. No problem. Can I also pour my line there? I am a senior. Where will the line start? There? Can I go there, sir? Thank you. Where? There? Wala naman yung senior. At attack nila. So, okay lang. Mag-vlog lang ako. So, this is it. My special lane for buntis, pregnant, PWD. Male and female. But I'm not allowed to get inside. Mag-vlog lang. So, this is it. Just having a vlog on this corner. Sir, mag-vlog lang ako ha. Dito lang. So, as you can see, this is the entrance going to President Duterte's house. And those who are done already, where are you going to pass? Wow, hi sir, Mabuhay channel. So, how's the distribution, sir? How's the distribution?
So far, okay man siya. Ma'am,
okay lang?
pangita ka ha, kasi vlogger ka?
Oh, Mabuhay channel. I'm just picturing here.
Okay.
Oh, my YouTube. Oh. I advise President Duterte. Don't worry. Everything is admiration. So this is it. The usual situation now. So many people. Sir, mabuhay. Good morning. Mabuhay po. Can I interview? Pwede ko mag-interview? Sir, mabuhay. Sir, mabuhay. Good morning. Can I interview, sir? Can I interview? Mabuhay channel. Pwede, ma'am, good morning. Mabuhay. Pwede mag-interview? Dali lang, ha? Where? Dito lang ko? No. So, this is now the Central Medical Station. Sir, I will just picture, sir.
Sulod na lang ka?
Masunod na lang po, i-picture ko. Mabuhay channel, sir. I will picture tonight. Sir, YouTube, Mabuhay channel. I will just vlog. Oo. Yeah, so, sir, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the permission. Duterte po ako. Oh. Mabuhay channel. Oh. So as we can see, these are now the people here going there to distribution area. Sir, I will just have the vlog, sir. Oh. Sir, good morning. Mabuhay, sir. Mabuhay YouTube channel, sir. YouTube, sir. Mabuhay channel. Okay. Check. So this is it. How the Dabawenyo are being known as very disciplinarian. They are very courteous, respectful. Everything is here. YouTube Mabuhay channel. So this is a day in Davao City featuring the jump pack. Sir, good morning. YouTube Mabuhay channel. I'm just having the vlog. Thank you, sir. So we have here now the long line. Mabuhay, sir. YouTube channel. So we are near now with the distribution area over there. Let's go. Let's go there. It's really a long line ahead, very long line going to this area of distribution. Sir, mabuhay, good morning. You see, there are really courteous people here in Davao, and we are almost there, the distribution area. Mabuhay, good morning. Mabuhay, morning, sir. I'm a senior, sir. You there? Mabuhay, good morning, sir officer, ma'am officer. Yeah, same to you. Mabuhay YouTube channel, sir. You see, there are many traffic officer here in charge in Davao for the share of love of President Duterte. Let's go there. Let's go nearer. Mabuhay, sir. Mabuhay, good morning. YouTube, Mabuhay channel po. So we are almost there. Hi, Mabuhay, sir. Yeah, I asked permission there already, sir. YouTube, Mabuhay channel. Duterte's, you know, my idol. Okay. Here we go. We are almost there on the exact distribution area. In a while. Hi, ma'am. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Canada. No, this. Wait, this is YouTube Mabuhay channel. Be serious, ha? Mabuhay. Good morning, ma'am, sir officers. Yes, thank you so much. We are already near to the station or distribution center. Wow. And there is also distribution of food for those who are in charge of the safety here. Here we go. A little bit and will arrive already. Wow. So amazing. Wonderful day of December 25. Mabuhay, ma'am, sir officers. Officer, good morning. Yeah, mabuhay. It's also an exercise. Let's go. So we have to have this coverage. Really, I really love the political will of Duterte's here in Davao. Really, it's one of a kind, excellent, exemplary, commendable, recommendable one leadership. It's only one in the Philippines and one in the whole world. This really impressive leadership of Duterte's, my admired president. So let's go near to the distribution center. Hi, good morning. And finally, in a distance, I could already see the distribution center over there. Let's go. Wow. I'm almost there. Oh, so there is a CR. So they are having also portable cleaning toilet for those who are forming their line here to receive goods, cash, and of course groceries. As what I have interviewed, 150 cash, groceries, gift certificate. Mabuhay, good morning, Sir Officer, Ma'am Officer. Yeah, YouTube Mabuhay channel. So where's the area now? I'm nearer. Near na ko, sir? Layo pa. Yeah, thank you. So, finishing line na daw ko. Morning, mabuhay. Wow. Finally, I'm about to reach the finishing line. It's a nice exercise for today. I'm already perspiring. Wow, so perspiring. Good for the mind, body, and spirit. Mabuhay, sir. Good morning, Ma'am Officer, Sir Officer. Yeah, YouTube, Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Tonight, YouTube. Hi. Mabuhay, sir. Ang senior.
Dito bigas, ma'am.
Bigas. Mabuhay. Mabuhay, Sir Officer. Good morning, senior.
Yeah.
Okay, so what shall I do?
You have to put your
Why?
5 fingers here.
Why?
And then another 5 fingers.
What is the explanation? Why I need to put it? Why violet? Di ba green Duterte?
Bigas, ma'am.
Ouch.
Saya lahat na mama kay mag-speed ta.
Yeah, o sige. YouTube Mabuhay channel. So this is, okay na, sir? Where will I pass? Thank you. So this is a sign. According to them, you to smile there. Can I wipe my finger? So this is the, what's this? If you, what?
Kung leader ka ay sir, kailangan ng good na itatak ng good sir.
This is mine. So where will I
Dito ma'am.
vlogger ko, ma'am?
Ako na, ma'am.
Where will I get this, ma'am?
Ay, istoryahan na lang among attorney sir. Kay amo mang
Where will I get?
Asa siya?
Sir, where will I get this lunch?
Asa, ma'am?
over there.
Lunch.
Just follow the line.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, my finger now is painted with my second favorite color, the purple. It's a sign now that I'm already done. So, I have the lunch, gift pack, and gift certificate. Wow, I have to claim there. Finally, I got it. Wow. Lunch, gift pack, gift certificate. I love it. Thank you, President Duterte. Yeah, where will I claim? I will not. So, where will I get that? There? So, where will I go, ma'am? Kinuha niya na yung isa. So, give back. Seniors, ma'am, senior. Senior dito. Mabuhay, good morning. Senior po, senior.
Dito rin.
Dari. Senior. Okay. And, wow. Where will I go next, sir? Saan ko sunod? Thank you. Thank you. So, I got my water and my chicken. This is it. Crispy chicken choy. Where is next, sir? Next. Wow. Senior.
Wala senior na. Dito na. Luma yata ka.
Thank you, sir. So, here we go. Lamat. I'm now senior, ma'am, senior.
Ano ma'am, basta kay Amblo akong pangayon.
Asa ko?
Wala ka tigyan na ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. YouTube, Mabuhay Channel. Where is next? Where will I go? Saan ito, ma'am? Sa unahan, sir? Oh, thank you. So, I have now my gift check. Wow. Really?
Sabay-sabay! Tawanan ko ang iyong problema. Tawad ang tanan! Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Bakit ang kada? Ano ko may katawan ninyo? Ganta ba? Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Alright! Salamat!
Dito muna ako. Mainit pa. Dito muna ako. Sandali. Pwede? Senior.
Grabe! Partner! Mga partner! So, first, i-acknowledge na to. Kailangan yun.
I have now my
Wala pa rin. Wala pa gani.
check.
Si tatay ako nagkatawag. Grabe! Bisag sapa ka dyan. Sinidyoka ka po.
Ay, salamat, ma'am.
Huwag ka rin katawa. Kinagkaan na itong manahin. Sinidyoka. Nagkatawag
So, I have here my
Tumawag ka.
cash ito. I-picture ko lang, ma'am.
Tawanan mo ang iyong problema.
So, here is from President Duterte. Thank you, my idol. And groceries. 5 kilos. Rice, 3 kilos. Thank you. Wala siya. Thank you, ma'am. Hindi pwede makapag-picture sa kanya. Wala siya. Thank you, mama. So, this is it. Where will I pass? Going out.
Okay, so
Going out na ko.
Yes po.
sa talang mga
So, this is it.
Dahil so giduka ka na Gido. Ay, wala pa partner. So, lain pa minaw mo na, lain pa minaw mo lain sa. Lain og naong imong tapat naman.
Asa ko, dire.
Sige lang, ay kapanak ka. Kay tagahan ka ni
Asa?
ni kuan ni Angkol Dagol sa t-shirt. Gusto ko t-shirt, hindot kayo. Pero isa ko sa t-shirt. Gusto ko sa manita. Oy, ato sang i-welcome our Vice President Inday Sara Duterte! Malapakan na mo! Malapakan! Atong malanggang Vice Presidente Inday Sara Duterte.
So, malapit doon, sir? Kay Mayora?
Malangit.
Senior man ko, mag-white channel.
Malangit sa PSG.
Dire.